So I have a moment of truth here. I filled up the oil with 5-weight-30 oil, full synthetic, because I like to take it to the mountains and stuff where it's really cold. It's the WEN 3800 watt inverter generator. The model number is 56380i. Just ready to fill up with fuel, ready to go. So let's give it a try. There she is, ready and going. The first time, no problems. It's that easy. First time running, no problem at all. I don't see like really any, it's not loud at all. I can speak over it. And then you can see like how quiet it is for that size. It's 3400 watts running. And it's quiet. I'm talking quiet for its size. And I'm gonna turn on the echo mode. Now that goes to quietness. There's really, it wouldn't even bug me. It's just like very quiet on the echo mode. So very happy so far.